Do you know that you can use your YouTube short videos to get your 4,000 watch hours, promote your YouTube long-term video? You can also use it to get monetized very fast here on YouTube. Now in this video, I am going to teach you the right way to upload your YouTube short videos so that you can use it to get your subscribers, promote your long video, and be monetized very fast here on YouTube. Without wasting time, let me teach you the right way to upload your YouTube short videos. So, let's go. Firstly, let's learn how to upload the YouTube short very well, the right way, before we learn how to use it to promote your long video. You know, you can use your shorts, okay, to give views to your long video, to promote your long video. You can use it to generate views to your long video. So this is how to upload the shorts. Then log into your page and click on this plus sign down here. Then you click on, when you click on the plus sign, then you click on shorts. Okay, look at it, shorts, and then you click on this add so that you can select that video, that your short video. Then you go ahead and pick your short video. Now bear it in mind that short video is usually videos 3 minutes. Anything above 3 minutes is considered as long video, so your video, make sure is 3 minutes. Pick it and click on next. Okay, next is to click on this pencil icon so that you can select a thumbnail for your video. All right, you can choose a thumbnail. Most of you don't normally add thumbnail. Now thumbnail is that attractive part, okay, so you can just at the bottom here choose thumbnail, how you want the video to appear. I mean that first part. All right, now after selecting a thumbnail that can attract viewer to your post, then you add title to your video. Yes, add title. Ensure you always add title, what your video is talking about. Okay, let's assume this video is how to upload shorts the right way. Do you understand? Or how to upload shorts. So anything that your video is talking about, if your video is how to cook or how to teach anything or how to cook or a day in my life, how I went to fix this, how I went to do this, in case for those of you into lifestyle, or even if it's a AI movie, do you understand? So always include the title, very, very important. All right, now after including the title, you are going to put hashtag. One hashtag is okay, which is hashtag shorts. Please do not post your short without including the hashtag. Then the next thing is to click on this private. Okay, yes, then you put it on public. Please do not upload the video without putting it in public. All right, because I know those are some of you don't know. Then click on this see more so that you can properly select other features. Click on see more. Then this you will see this whether it's meant for kids. Say no, your video is not meant for kids. Do you understand? Then click on this see more. Then the next is to add description to your video. Your video description is different from your title. These are some places that most people miss it. Your video description is different from your title. Now in the title of your video, you said, okay, for example, I said this is how to upload shorts the right way. That is for the title. All right, now let's give this a description so that you can see. So I said this video will teach you how to upload your shorts the right way to get views. Okay, to get views, subscribers, and watch time. Yes, this video will teach you how to upload your short videos the right way to get views, subscribers, and watch time. Did you see how I gave it a description? So that is to tell you that description is different from your title. Title is just, you know, straight like what the video is talking about, but this description is what the viewers tend to benefit or what they will see in the video. That is how you describe a video. So always ensure you add your description. It is very, very important. All right, next is to add your video to a playlist. Yes, you click on this add to playlist. Now I know most of you have not even created playlist, or you don't know what is playlist. If you don't know what is playlist, check my videos. I've already teach you people how to create a playlist. You can see my own playlist. I have 3 playlists here, so I'll add it under YouTube growth tip. You understand? Because that is what this video is talking about. All right, then the next thing I will do is to click on this paid promotion and brands. What this means is that did anybody pay you for this video to promote their brand? So you click on it and say no, because nobody paid for this promotion except any brand paid you. So always put it on no, please, if nobody paid you. Okay, next is to click on AI use tag. Whether your video is made with AI use tag, click on it, okay, and say no, except if your video is made with AI. Do you understand? But if your video is not made with AI, you can say no, that your video wasn't made with AI. So you have to select no, please. Now after this, you can click on upload. All right, your video is actually ready. You can upload. Now this is the right way, okay, to upload your shorts. Then let's now learn how you can use the shorts to promote your long video. You can actually use your short video to promote, to drive massive traffic to your other longer videos. Do you understand? Long videos. Pick your short video this way. Any of your video, go to your gallery and pick your short video that you want to upload. Okay, now Then you add your title, your video title. Remember, always add your title, what your video is actually talking about. All right, so you add your title. Let's assume this one, how to edit videos. Do you understand? Let's assume this is what your video is talking about. So you can say my title, and remember, you put your hashtag. Then the next is to put it on public. Okay, click on this and put it on public. Then select no, it is not meant for kids. Always ensure that it's no. All right, then the next is to add your description. Don't forget, always add your description, what your video is talking about. Remember that your title is actually different from your description altogether is another ball game on its own. So always ensure that you describe your video. So many people always read your description before they even watch your video. Do you understand? Next is to add your video to a playlist. Yes, the playlist that you have created. Choose a playlist. Like me, mine is a YouTube, because the video I made is actually about YouTube. So I'll click on the YouTube playlist that I've created before my channel. So if you don't know how to create YouTube playlist, I've taught the video is on my channel. You can watch that one. All right. Next is to click on this promotion and put it on no, because nobody paid you. It's not a paid promotional video. Or let's put it on no. All right, the next is AI content. Keep it no. Put no, select no, except you use AI in creating your video. If it is AI video, you can say yes, but if it's not AI video, always say no. Choose no. All right. Okay, this is how to promote your long video. You see this related video there, click on this related video, because you have to select your long video. Do you understand? And add it here. That is where you select it, related video. Remember, I said you can use your shorts to promote your long video. Click on the related video there, and then allow it to load, because it will take you to your long videos. Do you understand? So that video that you want to promote, that video that you want to drive view to, you come here and select it. Like I didn't look at my videos here, so anyone that I want to promote from here now, do you understand? I'll just go ahead and pick it and choose anyone that I want to promote, and then I'll click on it. Automatically it will be added. So when it's added, anyone who is watching my video, you can see when it's added, you can see the way it is here. Now look at it. I selected the name of the video that I want to promote is YouTube is not recommending your video. Turn on these settings. Do you understand? Look at the way it's appearing now here. Anyone that watch your short video will always see this or long video here.
Hi, welcome back. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Uche, and in this channel I teach content creators how to grow and monetize their channel very fast and in the right way. I also teach you the mistakes that you have to avoid here on YouTube, so that you will not land your channel into trouble. Now if this sounds like something that you want for your own channel, go ahead and do what, and hit the subscribe button. It's totally for free. All right, and don't forget, before you leave, in this channel we also support each other. We help each other to do YouTube the right way. So you're going to scroll under the comment section, you are going to pick a creator and subscribe to his or her channel. Please do not only subscribe, ensure you watch the creator's video as well. And don't forget, I'm always here for you. If there is anything that you want me to teach you, if there is anything you want me to teach you here, drop it under the comment section. I'm going to make a video for you and teach you anything that you don't understand here on YouTube. All right, so please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So drop your comments under the comment section.